Changing the incoming call ringtone sound on your iPhone 16 allows you to personalize your device and easily distinguish your phone's ring from others. Here's how it's done. First, head over to the home screen by swiping up from the bottom of the display. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Then, tap on Ringtone. You'll see a list of available ringtones. The current ringtone will be marked with a check. Now scroll through the list and tap on different ringtones to hear a preview sound, and then tap to mark your preferred ringtone. If you want to explore more options, tap on Classic to view additional ringtone choices. Once you've found a ringtone you like, simply tap on it to select it. A checkmark will appear next to your choice. At this point, your new ringtone sound is all set to ring for your next incoming calls. This feature on your iPhone 16 allows you to set a unique ringtone that suits your style or helps you quickly identify when your phone is ringing. You can change your ringtone as often as you like to keep your phone's sound fresh and personalized. Should you wish to try a different ringtone, just repeat the same steps to return to the ringtone settings menu and then apply your new changes. And that's it. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.